Come test drive the 2025 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.